my God, ito pagahawak mo.
Ingon man sa hangin si River. So, sakto to sir, no? So, astong balikon, kuganihang alas 5:10 sa Kapuntagon, si Tino naglandfall ni siya dito sa may Purbon, Cebu.
Ano sa ba naman?
Di ba naatay ko anday? Naatay ka tong flashlight na dali na kayong malumbat?
Naa.
Asa to?
Naradari. Nagsalo dito di. Subside na ang lahat. Story. Silang nanay. Evacuate na pa silang nanay.
Evacuate na sila.
Yun ay, bro.
Paapli ang puntahan.
Ah, bari? Kung gusto mo magsimba o matulog, pwede rin mo sa ladari sa room 308. Morning. Let me get my drink. Hi, everyone. I hope I'm clear. Let me just hold on, zooming in. Maybe like that. Hey, how is everybody? So tomorrow at 5 a.m. I'll be catching a flight heading to Japan. It's a bittersweet time because recently, if you knew the news, Cebu has been hit by a typhoon, super typhoon. It's called Tino here in the Philippines, and two of the houses actually got damaged by the flooding. It's still intact, yes, but there's a lot of things to do in terms of cleaning the house. It smells, it's unlivable for the meantime because there's no water and there's no electricity. We're still trying to figure out with the electric national grid companies in supplying and how to be compliant with the supply of electricity in a place. So, but unfortunately, I booked our trip to Japan the same month that the typhoon hit and caused damages. And most of the hotels that I booked are non-refundable and cannot be cancelled. Estimating with the cost that we would be losing not taking this trip at the same time, the funds that we have spent just trying to move to places, because we can't live in our own location, right? So we have to find a place where there's electricity and there's a water. So there's a lot of things that really happened, and I'm trying to catch my breath, and hopefully I would be able to still enjoy our trip to Japan. So I'm hoping and praying for that, because we have to consider the fact that we have to be strict in our expenditures when we stay in Japan, because once we come back, we needed now the funds to fix most of the electronics that were damaged, and as well as, I don't know if I ever would fix that, the items that had already been damaged. Depends if it is still salvageable. But that's an update. Wow, it's very nice to start off the day vlogging for Japan with a bittersweet, maybe a negative tone, but I don't want that to happen. Well, I don't like that, to have a bad time in Japan, but especially this trip. I'm not even sure if this is gonna be my last trip to Japan, so I'm being hopeful. I'm being hopeful, and maybe, yeah, I'm being hopeful. There, we have already prepared. I've already prepared most of the things that I needed to bring, right? Like long before the typhoon actually hit. So I've already prepared everything, and I'm just waiting for my husband to come and go to the airport and go through immigration and stuff. So come join me with my trip.
Ako ang bag dili pang 7 kilos. Puso kayo.
Me.